Now, Apple Intelligence allows users to remove objects or people from a photo with a smart eraser in the Photos app. You don't need any third-party app. Just keep enabling Apple Intelligence. Check out a separate tutorial if your iPhone is not showing on supported iPad models with A17 Pro or M1 and later, running iPadOS 18.1 or later. Keep your iPad updated to the latest iPadOS 18 version because this feature is available after the iPadOS 18.1 update. Sadly, you users cannot get the Apple Intelligence feature, which will be available around April. First, launch the Photos app on your iPad and select the photo from which you want to remove an object or person. Tap the Edit button at the center or bottom of the screen. Then, select Cleanup from the options on the left side of the picture. Highlight the object or person you want to remove by simply brushing over it with your finger. Select or rub your finger like this. Object will be removed automatically. Repeat the same steps to remove another object. The app will use AI to remove the unwanted parts and fill in the background to match the surrounding areas as you can see. Here's the quick change option. Check the before and after differences. Or reset option will appear at the top until you tap Done or Apply. Once satisfied with the result, tap Done to save the edited photo. Or we can undo the changes anytime by re-editing the option and selecting the Revert option. And select Revert to original option. That's it. Like other videos, if you stumbled upon something helpful and fixed it, please don't keep it to yourself. Share it with everyone. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks a bunch.